Hey guys, I'm Shawn Cheek of WebPianoTeacher.com. How you doing? Today we're doing the next song on my hired request list by Taylor Swift, New Year's Day. It's the Tonight Show Jimmy Fallon version. If you want to look it up on YouTube, you can hear what we're doing. Let's take a listen. There's a little snippet of the beginning there. So we're going to have a little talk about rhythm in this one because we have kind of a 7/8 time and then a 9/8 time. So if you sing the song, that'll help you with the rhythm. But if you're just going to play it, I can help you count it. So let's get to it. If you are a member of the website, you can download these sheets I have for this, as well as learning many other songs that I've taught over the past, 17 years now. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 7/8, which is kind of a weird time signature. And it's, normally you'll have 6/8 or 9/8 or something, but 7/8's kind of weird. But she makes it work with the lyrics, the way she sings it. So start with a C on the left hand, and then right hand G, C, E with 1, 3, 5. So 1, 2, 3. Now count 4. You're going to do an A. Make sure you change the pedal. Okay, and now it makes it an A minor 7 with the G, C, E on the top, and then a G, then the chord one more time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just make sure you change the pedal on each bass note, or you don't want it to blur like this. Right? 'Cause some of you just hold the pedal down. That's not going to sound good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But if you want to sing it, all right. So if you sing it, then you can just start this when it's time. But if you're going to count it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so if you're just playing it and someone else is singing, or you're playing with the thing, with the album, that'll help you to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this measure is the same as the first one. A minor, G, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's a big bracket over the whole thing, so you do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we have the chorus part there, which we'll get to in the part 2 on the website. But I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it.